Sweet poha or avalakki, quick and healthy snack which is traditionally made at all our home. Mr. Divij K. Prashant is today's chef and he is going to show you how to make it. He's prepping up for the recipe now. To begin with, he's taking some soaked poha, then goes in grated jaggery, cardamom powder. You can even add some kesar dipped in 2-3 spoons of milk and grated coconut here. So mixing it up well, covering it with a lid. Here it is all ready. You can see him tasting. Do invite your children to make this and let me know how they enjoyed it. Here is a song by Mr. Divij.
ಹಸನಾದ ಅವಲಕ್ಕಿ ಬೆಲ್ಲ ಕಲಸಿಕೋಡೆ ಖಾರ ಸಾರು ಮಾಡಬೇಡ ಹುಣ್ಣದ ನೆನೆ ಸಿಹಿ ಸಾರು ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಬೇಗ ಉಣ್ಣುವೆ ಹಸುವೆಯಾದ ತಳಿಗೆ ಅಮ್ಮ ಕೇಳೆ ಹಸನಾದ ಅವಲಕ್ಕಿ ಬೆಲ್ಲ ಕಲಸಿಕೋಡೆ